What is a substitute for red or white wine in a recipe? If someone cannot or will not use wine for cooking, what would be a good substitute? Question applies to both red and white wine.
For white wine, try chicken broth, stock, vegetable stock, white grape juice, ginger ale, canned mushroom, liquid diluted white wine or cider vinegar. For red wine, try beef or chicken broth, stock, diluted red wine, vinegar, red grape juice, tomato juice, canned mushroom, liquid. A great list of substitutions for cooking with various alcoholic ingredients may be found here. See link 1. You can replace the moisture provided by wine with just about any flavorful liquid, but you won't replicate the flavor. Vinegars will be the closest, but they are much more acidic. Stocks and broths can help boost flavor, but they will bring with them a lot of sodium. The list goes on, as shown by the other contributors here. The main thing to be mindful of is what these substitutions bring with them: acidity, salt, sweetness, etc., and compensate for it by adding or subtracting other ingredients. Add a bit of sugar to offset the acidity of vinegar or back off on the salt when adding stock. Substitutions are an advanced skill, sometimes even a black art, and this is why